How to change your email in Claude 2026 guide. Hey everyone, if you've been stuck with a work email or one you no longer have access to on your Claude account, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to teach you the official 2026 process for effectively switching your email in Claude without breaking any rules or losing your data unnecessarily. Claude by Anthropic does not currently allow you to directly change the email address tied to an existing account. This is a security feature, and the only reliable way to switch is by creating a new account and properly cleaning up the old one. I'll walk you through the exact steps based on the latest official guidance, so you can do this smoothly and safely. First, if you have important conversations or projects, back up your data right away. Log in to your current account on the web or Claude desktop, go to Settings, then Privacy, and click Export Data. You'll receive a download link by email that includes your chat history and account information. Note that this export can't be imported into a new personal account, so save any key details you need separately if you want to reference them later. Next, if you're on a paid Pro or Max plan, cancel your subscription first to avoid being charged for both accounts. From Settings, go to Billing, find the Cancellation section, and click Cancel. Your plan will stay active until the end of the current billing period, so time this carefully and cancel at least 24 hours before your next billing date. If you plan to reuse the same phone number for verification on the new account, request to unlink it from the old one. You can do this by contacting Claude support from an accessible email while CCing the old address. Once that's handled, delete the old account. Go to Settings, then Account, and select Delete Account. Follow the prompts carefully. This action is permanent, so double-check your export first. Finally, sign up for a brand new Claude account using your desired email address. Complete the verification process and you'll have a fresh start. Here's a pro tip from the experts. Always choose a personal email you know you'll have long-term access to when you first create any AI account. This prevents headaches down the road. And if your chats contain critical information, manually copy the most important ones to a document before switching. That's everything you need to know about switching your email in Claude in 2026. To summarize, export your data, cancel any paid plan if you have one, unlink your phone if needed, delete the old account, and create a new one. If this guide helped you, give the video a like, subscribe for more straightforward AI tutorials, and drop a comment below telling me what email issue you're dealing with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.